Hello everyone, welcome back to Lexi's World. Today I'm making a salad. I'm using cabbage with beets and carrots, and I'm gonna make a salad, all right? So let's get started, but before we get started, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos, all right? And thank you for watching the videos. Let's get started. This is a half of a cabbage. It's all washed and everything. I'm gonna cut it up really small, and I'm gonna shred the carrots and I'm gonna shred the beets. My beets, I shredded the carrots. I'm just gonna cut the cabbage really small, okay? I'm gonna put one green apple really small again. So I'm only going to use half of the apple, okay? This is the beets. I'm just going to add it. And then I did 2 carrots. So I have some parsley. I washed them already. I'm just going to clean them, cut it. I have a half of a cucumber. I'll just use half of the cucumber. I have some cranberries. I'm gonna add a few teaspoons of cranberry into this. 2 tablespoons of cranberry. I have almond nuts, the salad ones. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of almond. I'm gonna use a 3/4 cup of yogurt, Greek yogurt. I have the DIJON mustard. I use the virgin olive oil. I use a tablespoon, okay? I use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I just use a pinch of salt in there. This is my dressing. I mixed all the, so this is my homemade dressing, okay? Let's turn it down. I'm gonna put a bit of hemp heart. Some flaxseed. I'll put a bit of flaxseed in it too. So this is my salad that I made. It's cabbage with beets and the carrots, all right? I use a homemade dressing, of course. Check my description box for the full recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share on this video. And also thank you for watching.